வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வீரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம UPSC சிவில் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாம் 2024 ப்ரிலிமினரி எக்ஸாம் ஜெனரல் ஸ்டடீஸ் பேப்பர் 1 மெயின் பேப்பர் 1 கட் ஆஃப் பார்க்குறதுல அந்த இதில் மாடல் பேப்பர் 2 அதில் பார்ட் 1 ஏன்னா வந்து ஃபுல்லாக 100 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் 2 ஹவர்ஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு ஃபீட்பேக் வந்ததுனால we are just restricting to 25 questions and 30 minutes. ஸோ இது 4 பார்ட்டாக வரும். ஓகே, சரி. Right, we will see the first part of the model test 2. Question number 1. Which of the following economic activities are undertaken extensively in steppe type of grasslands? 1. Nomadic herding. 2. Mechanized wheat cultivation. 3. Pastoral farming. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 2-1. 3 only, B 1 and 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So that's all the 3. The correct answer is A 2 and 3 only. And the reason is nomadic herding on the stop ஆயிடுச்சு. So the type of migratory and the animal grazing almost closed. But extensive mechanized wheat cultivation irukku, temperate grassland and pastoral farming irukku. So this 2 and 3 only now it's happening. Onna number illa. So A is the choice. Question number 2. Which of the following best describes as a Vairava system? A. It is a system of equitable distribution of water in a canal irrigation region. It is a system of creation of bunds to direct the agricultural runoff. C. It is a system of soil conservation by creation of small check dams. D. It is a method of grass cultivation in regions of soil erosion. The correct answer is A. It's a system of equitable distribution of water in canal irrigation regions. Actually, Vairava is it's a rotational method, and it's a equitable distribution of available water in irrigation system by turns fixed according to the predetermined schedule, specifying year, day, time, duration, everything. So it is called Vairava. Question number 3. Arabica, Robusta, Liberica are the types of A. Local units of Northeast Africa. B. Genetically modified varieties of sugarcane. C. Coffee cultivated across the world. D. Native buffalo breeds in North India. The correct answer is C. Coffee cultivated across the world. It's very famous. Arabica and Robusta are very famous coffee species. Okay. Question number 4. Commercial livestock rearing is practiced mainly in Western culture. With respect to this, which of the following is or features commercial livestock rearing? 1. Only one type of animal is reared. 2. Emphasis is laid on breeding and genetic improvement. 3. Animal products are exported in the world market. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3. So D is all the above. The correct answer is D, all the above. All are happening. ஒரே type of animal rear பண்றாங்க and breeding genetic improvement நடக்குது and animal products are exported to the world market. So it's all are happening. Question number 5. Consider the following statement regarding to cropping seasons in India. Kharif season in India largely coincides with the southwest monsoon. The Rabi season begins with the onset of winter. Say it is short duration summer cropping season beginning after harvesting of Rabi crops. Which of the statements given above is or correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D. All the 3. எல்லாமே ட்ரூ. ஓகே, சவுத் வெஸ்ட் மான்சூனில் கார்வி சீசன் ஆரம்பிக்கும். முடிஞ்ச உடனே குளிர் ஆரம்பித்தோடனே ராபி சீசன். ராபி சீசன் முடிஞ்ச உடனே ஷார்ட் டியூரேஷன் வந்து சேட் கிராப். ஸோ ஆல் ஆர் ட்ரூ. Question number 6. In the context of India, which of the following parameters is are used while calculating literacy rate? The ability to both read and write and understanding in any language, persons aged 7 and above, and 3 persons who have completed primary schooling. Select the correct answer using the quotes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1 and 2 only. Very simple. Question number 7. Which of the following areas tend to have more population density? Areas which have fertile loamy soils, areas with a harsh climate and more seasonal variation. Select the correct answer using the quotes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A. 1 only. So this is a good place to settle. But in harsh climate nobody will stay, and seasonal variation. Okay, so 1 only true. Question number 8. House, Aman, Boro are the A. different varieties of wheat in Assam. B. 3 crops of rice grown in different seasons in West Bengal. C. local winds in North India. D. harvest festivals in the state of Punjab. The correct answer is B. 3 crops of rice grown in different seasons. These are the seasons in West Bengal. So it's rice is a very stable food in West Bengal, and they grow in 3 crops. So rice, they are called House, Aman, Boro. I think they have around more than 3,000 varieties of rice, and for different climatic regions also there in West Bengal. Question number 9. Consider the following statements. 1. Physiological density refers to the ratio of the total agriculture population and net cultivate area. B. Agriculture density is the ratio of total population and net cultivated area. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. both 1 and 2. D. neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is D. neither 1 nor 2. Very simple. See, this is a very crude measure. So crude measure is, it's not like the physiological density. So it's a total population that's divided by the area, or area divided by population. So physiological density refers to ratio of total population net cultivated area, and agriculture density is the ratio of total agriculture population and cultivated area. So both the statements are wrong. Okay. Question number 10. Which of the following best describes the term kolkhoz? A. Rice cultivation in Middle East region. B. The tribe found in cold region in Russia. C. The collective farming system introduced by S12 USSR. D. Irrigation technique in South India. It's very, very simple. It's a famous form of collective farming in Russia is called Gold Coast. So C is the right answer. Question number 11. Which are the following are approaches to measure human development? A. Income approach. B. 1. Income approach. 2. Welfare approach. 3. Capability approach. 4. Basic approach. Select the correct answer using the words given below. A. 1, 3, 4 only. B. 2 and 4 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is all the above statements. The correct answer is D. All the above. See, various approaches of Human Development Index are income approach and welfare approach, basic needs approach and capability approach. So, income approach it's a higher level of income and higher level of human development. So, that's income approach. And welfare approach means the beneficiaries are, when they have higher education and they do higher expenditure and higher health facilities and they have good amenities, this is welfare approach. And capability approach, so they are capable of getting anything, any, health, education, all these things. So, capability. And basic needs, they have basic approach for anyway, 6 basic needs. They are health, education, food, and water supply, sanitation, and housing. So, this is the basic needs approach. So, so this all comes under the human development. So, all the statements are true. Question number 12. Consider the following pairs regarding phases of population growth, period and phase. 1920 to 21, population explosion. 21 to 51, steady population growth. 51 to 81, statutory phase of growth. Which of the pairs given below is or correctly matched? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. So, the correct answer is C. That is 1921 to 51. Really speaking, this is the static population. 1921 used to be called year of great divide. Up negative growth. Okay. Then there is a steady population growth on the 1921 to 51. And this population explosion was there 1951 to 81 was the population explosion. That's in the stationary phase it was in 19. In fact, stationary it will take some more time, right? So that's a story about it. Year of great divide, then there is a steady growth and population explosion, and we are reaching the very stationary or static position. So that's the stages. Question number 13. Which of the following rivers flow or flows between Satpura range and Vindhyan range? 1. Narmada river. 2. Godavari river. 3. Chambal river. Select the correct answer using codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. That's all the above. The correct answer is A. That is Narmada river only. Right? Other rivers, one is south flowing, other is north flowing. Right? Okay. Question number 14. Consider the following differences between Bangar soil and Kadar soil. So, Bangar soil is a old alluvium and it has higher concentration of conker, nodules and compared to Kadar. And Kadar is more fertile than Bangar. Which of the statement given above is are true? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is C. Both 1 and 2. Of course, the Bangar soil is a old alluvial and higher concentration of conker, nodules and then compared to Kadar. கடல் is more fertile because it's a recent soil. It comes with lots of humus. நிறைய குப்பை குளத்தில் வரும், நிறைய ஃபெர்டைலாக இருக்கும், நிறைய வளமான சாயிலாக இருக்கக்கூடியது புது சாயில். ஸோ போத் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ட்ரூ. Question number 15. Consider the following statements about Project KUSA. It is a long-range air defense system for Indian Air Force, IAF. It is a joint project between DRDO and Rafael Advanced Defense System and Israel Aerospace Industries. 3. The system reportedly has a single shot kill chance and at least 80% and over 90% where 2 missiles are fired after each other. Select the correct statements. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All the above. The correct answer is C. 1 and 3 only. Of course, it's a long-range air defense missile. That's right. And this is accuracy is 80% to 90%. The second one is wrong because it is not. It is only DRDO. There is no Rafael defense system and aerospace industry. Right? So that's it. Question number 16. Corpot Bongo Sagar is a bilateral naval exercise between India and which are the following country? Indonesia, Bangladesh, Maldives, Singapore. The correct answer is B. Bangladesh. Actually, Corpot coordinated patrol exercise. That's Corpot. Coordinated patrol exercise is the Corpot. It's a Bonge Sagar. It's like name of the project from Bangladesh. Okay, right. Question number 17. North Kivu recently seen in news located which are the following country? Israel, Palestine, Democratic Republic of Congo, that's a DRC, and Egypt. The correct answer is C. Democratic Republic of Congo. Actually, it's a UN International Organization of Migration. Recently reported there is an real surge in the international displacement in the DRC, reaching about 6.9 million. My God, it's so heavy, right? So there much of migration was taking place there. There is a fight. And earlier also we all heard about it, Tutsi led M23 rebel in November 2023 also there were a big intensified fight. So, and the civil war happened, in fact it started in 1990s and 96, 98 and this DRC conflict was exacerbated and by the aftermath of 1994 Rwandan genocide, where ethnic Hutu extremists killed around 1 million minority ethnic Tutsis and non-extremist Hutus. So, some big story, right? Okay. Question number 18. Project collaboration agreement recently seen in news signed between Ministry of Ayush and World Health Organization, B. Ministry of Commerce and Industry and World Trade Organization, C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and World Health Organization, D. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Ministry of Skill Development Entrepreneurship. The correct answer is A. Ministry of Ayush and World Health Organization. So recently Ministry of Ayush and World Health Organization formalized a project collaboration agreement. And they have a lot many things, the main objective is standardized, traditional and complementary medicine system, incorporating their quality and safety aspects into national health system and disseminating these practices on an international scale. So that's main. So நமக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் ஆயுஷ் அப்படிங்கிறது. So it's all traditional medicine together. Ayurveda, Unani, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. All together it's called Ayush. Right. Question number 19. Consider the following statements about Amplify 2.0 portal. Statement 1. It is a joint initiative of enforcement in the environment, forest and climate change and Niti Aayog. 2. It is a platform to provide raw data to enable research and evidence-based policy making for livable, inclusive, future-ready urban India. Choose the incorrect statements. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is incorrect, 1 only. So that is incorrect. Actually, the assessment of monitoring platform, livable, inclusive, and future-ready urban India, and it's a platform to provide raw data across 14 sections of 440 plus parameters and 250 plus cities, and launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. And statement 2 is concerned, it's the same thing, and which we have explained it. So second statement is right and first is wrong. So A is the answer. Question number 20. Consider the following statements with respect to loss and damage fund. 1. It is a global financial package to ensure the rescue and rehabilitation of countries facing the cascading effects of climate change. It was first announced during COP27 in Glasgow, Scotland. 3. The fund will be overseen by World Bank. So how many statements given above are correct? Only 1, B only 2, C all 3, D none. The correct answer is B. 2 statements are right. So as far as statement 1 is concerned, it's true. It's like the loss of damage fund global financial package ensure that the rescue and rehabilitation of the countries done correctly. And statement 2 is incorrect because it is the COP77 in Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt, not Scotland. And the fund will be overseen by World Bank. You right. So second statement wrong. So only 2 statements are correct. Question number 21. Buxa Tiger Reserve, which was recently in news, is located in Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam, Odisha. The correct answer is it is West Bengal. The Buxa Tiger Reserve, that's called BTR, location is it lies in Alipuram in subdivision of Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal, and its northern boundary runs along with the international border with the Bhutan, and it's a Sincula hill range lies in along with the northern side, and BTR and eastern boundary touches the Assam state. It got the name Buxa Fort. Normally Buxane Buxar போயிடுவாங்க தப்பாயிடும், அதனால அந்த சாய்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க சத்தீஸ்கடும். So it's Buxa Fort, which is located in Sincula range. Its altitude is about 867 meters, and it's a fragile terra ecosystem constitutes a part of the reserve. Okay, right. Question number 22. Global Drought Snapshot report, which was recently in news published by A. UN Convention to Combat Desertification, B. The Convention on Biological Diversity, C. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, D. The United Nations Environmental Program. The correct answer is A. The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. So important points are it's agriculture and forest. So 70% of still come normally damaged by the drought in Mediterranean. It's like 5-6 years back, and 33% loss in grazing land in South Africa due to drought. You know the story. So it's like there are many issues, and water shortage in many places. Okay, and economic loss in last 50 years was around $70 billion because of drought, and it has a water. There is a social dimension also. It's about 85% of people affected due to drought, and 2 million people in Central American dry corridor needing food and other aid. Question number 23. Actosite, recently seen in news, is related to which of the following? India's fastest solar electric boat set sail in sustainable future. It is the most prevalent and malware so far in 2023 has attacked Indian giant Tata Consultancy Services. It is a tablet that minimizes the side effects associated with the cancer treatment. It is mRNA vaccine to treat Zika virus. The correct answer is C. It's a tablet that minimizes side effects associated with the cancer treatment. And it's a tablet that shown remarkable result, particularly in pelvic cancer patients undergoing radiotherapy induced cystitis, leading to extraordinary recovery and culminating the need for surgical interventions like removal of urinary bladder extra. Okay, and the tablet designated adjunct to cancer radiotherapists act as a regenerative, naturotical and immunomodulator and antioxidant, representing the significant advance in cancer care. And it also received approval from FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Right? Okay. Question number 24. Consider the following statements with respect to tokamaks. Statement 1. Tokamaks are called artificial suns due to the fact that these duffnut-shaped machines replicate processes that occur in the sun. Statement 2. Fusion reactions take place in the state of matter called plasma, a hot charged gas made of positive ions and free moving electrons with unique properties. Which of the statements correct in respect of the above? A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is a correct explanation to statement 1. B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not the explanation to statement 1. C. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. D. Statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. So the correct answer is A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. Actually, it is a nuclear fusion. Very simple, right? Okay. Question number 25. With reference to the book Rajatarangani, consider the following statement. It was written by Kalana and it was written in Persian language. 3. It provides historic accounts of Kashmir. Which of these statements above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 1 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 are all the above. The correct answer is C. 1 and 3 only. Of course, it was written by Kalana. This is wrong because he wrote in Sanskrit. Kalana wrote this in Sanskrit, not Persian. And of course, it provides historical accounts of the Kashmir. It's about Kashmiri kings, right? Okay. So with these 25 questions, now we finish this first part of the second paper, and we'll give the second part of the second paper in the next video. Thank you very much.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.